If your location service is not working on your Apple Watch, this usually happens due to wrong settings, connection issues with your iPhone, or software glitches. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to solve the location services not working issue on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you're connected to your internet network like Wi-Fi or mobile data. You have a stable internet connection. Turn on and off airplane mode. After doing these things, follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn on the location. First, open up the Settings app in your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Location Services. Now toggle on the location services here. Solution 2. Enable Map Settings. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Scroll down to the Maps. Tap on it. Here you need to enable all the settings. Solution 3. Force Restart Apple Watch. Connect your charger to your Apple Watch. Then press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Now hold off and wait to restart. Now see whether it is solved or not. Hope it helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See ya.